Spring currents call my name. The ocean knows my breath the same. I rise through petals made of light, a creature woven from the night. The waves, they dance around my skin, a melody about to begin. My voice shines like a moon so pale, echoes circle like a wave. I sing to stars asleep below. They answer with the The water lifts me wild and free. My heart beats like a sunlit sea.